Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And let me wish you belated Eid Mubarak. I hope you have enjoyed a lot in vacation. Now it's time to learning. So let's get back to our chapter, which is light, shadow, and reflection. This chapter is included in physics. Okay. Before starting to new topic, let me show you one interesting photo. I will going to explain this photo and then I will tell you the name of this particular photo. Okay, over here you can see one temple is there, which is of South India. Okay, this is the first photo, and in the second photo you can see that one shadow is forming, which is having inverted image. Okay, and this shadow is nothing but the shadow of this temple, but quite inverted. Generally, you know very well that whenever we got shadow of any object, so it will not inverted. Now, what is the meaning of inverted? Inverted means upside down. Means like your head is down and your leg is up. Okay, so it is considered as a inverted. Means completely opposite. So over here you can see that mostly the shadow will never show such inverted image. Shadows are always proper as the object is. But over here you can see that the temple is having inverted shadow. And what is this photo? This third photo is nothing but uh, in front of this temple one small cave is there. This cave is having very small hole over here. Okay, and in front of this hole one wall is there which is act as a screen. Okay, so this is a natural phenomena which occurs naturally, and this temple is nothing but a temple named as Virupaksha temple, which is located in Hampi, India. Okay, now let's understand why it happens like that. So let me explain you over here. You can see this is the temple which I shown you in the last slide. Its name as Raja Gopuram. Okay, in front of this temple over here, this arrow has been shown. Over here, one small cave is present. This cave is having very small hole. You can see in this photo, and this is the wall which is in front of the hole. So the sunlight will falls on this temple. This is an opaque object, so due to that reason it will obstruct the light rays and one shadow is been created inside this cave. But these small holes will capture the straight line, which straight rays of the sun, which captured over here and created one inverted shadow, which is known as pinhole camera image. And that we will going to understand in this chapter. You can see mostly the shadow is having black. Okay, they are not going to give you information related to color. But when the structure is designed like in a manner so that in afternoon when the sun rays falls on this temple, its shadow appears as a golden shadow. Okay, and that's why it is quite famous in India. Okay, now I am going to show you that what is pinhole camera. So pinhole camera is a device which is based on the principle of rectilinear propagation, or can I say that it is a device which is showing you the right application of rectilinear propagation. Now what is rectilinear propagation? Rectilinear propagation means rectilinear means straight and propagation means to move through, or should I say to travel. So light travels in straight line. Based on this principle, this device has been made. Now I will show you. You can also make this device at your home. So let's see how we can make. So you can see over here, total 3 images are given. This is the first uh, box, cardboard box. Nowadays, you people love to use online shopping. So you will definitely get such kind of boxes from there. So you have to pick such kind of box which is having this rectangular shape. Now the second box must be a little small compared to the first one. Okay, so that we can fix this box into this larger one. But before that, what you have to do, at one side of the box, you have to make small hole, as you can see over here, this black dot. And over here you can see that you have to make a square or rectangular film or rectangular hole like in a manner. And over here you have to stick one translucent material. Now translucent means which allows allow small amount of light to pass through, like butter paper. You know what is butter paper? If you still know, if you still don't know, then let me tell you tracing paper. With the help of that, you can copy the drawings. That is known as tracing paper. So you have to stick the tracing paper over here at outside of the box. Now once this process is done, now you have to fix this small box into this larger box. Okay, and you have to keep a small distance between them. Now what you have to do, now let's see how it works. So as you can see that if you keep it over here, so what will happen that whatever the light falls on expected object, that light will straight travel through this hole and captured on this tracing paper as an image. But the thing that whatever the image which we capture on this translucent paper, it will be completely inverted. Inverted means upside down. So like this way it will work. Let's see in detail. See, this is the object and this is our pinhole camera. So whatever the light rays comes from this candle flame, so this will going to project on the pinhole camera, travel through that hole and captured on the screen like in a manner. That is A1. Okay, and now the second ray, that is B. It will travel through the hole and captured on the screen in terms of like B1. Not only these two rays, whatever the rays which is in between A and B, all are captured like in a manner and create an image of this object, or should I say candle. So like this way the pinhole camera is used to capture the image. Okay, now which kind of image the pinhole camera gives us? Pinhole camera gives us two types of image. The first one, that it is completely upside down. You can see the flame is over here, the upside. Okay, now it is upside down and come to the downward. This is known as inverted image. Upside down image is known as inverted image. Second thing, the size of this object is suppose approximately 5 centimeter. So the image which is captured on the pinhole camera is having smaller size. Okay, approx 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is the characteristic of the image which is captured by the pinhole camera. Okay, if you want to get clear perfect vision, so for that you must have to just switch your box inside or outside and focus it so that you can able to get complete clear image. So like this way, this is the working of pinhole camera. Now this is we completed our learning. Now I am going to give you uh, some question. You have to identify the answer and tell me into the comment section. Okay, whomsoever will answer correctly, I will going to tell his or her name into the next video. Okay, here comes the first device. You very well know that this device, this is known as submarine. Okay, now submarine is diving under the sea and observing everything which is under the water. Now, if they want to see the upper surface of the sea level, then what they do? They are they comes out with one important device which is shown inside the figure. Okay, and this device you have to answer that which device is this, so that they can easily able to see the upper surface of the sea. Okay, moving to the next. This is the first question. Now the second question is that what happened in that, let me explain you. Three mirrors are there. Three mirrors are arranged in this triangular manner, and inside this device over here one translucent tracing paper is there. Okay, now they are keeping beautiful coloring beads into this device and completely cover it, and over here they will keep one small hole like this. Okay, and then you can see inside the image such kind of beautiful structure. which device is this which is creating such beautiful structure? Okay, you can take help of your elder brother or sister, okay, and you have to guess the answer and write into the comment section. Okay, I hope you find fun in this activity. Okay, next time I will come with the new topic and some another fun questions. Till then, just stay happy and have a nice day. Bye.